What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. Only 20% of viewers are subs, so please tap that red subscribe button. We've had reports our content isn't being recommended to our subs at the moment, so please hit the bell icon and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, as we said in our video from yesterday, it does look as though Polygon has broken down below this 150 level, which was quite a strong support. Obviously, the wider market did finally get a correction to the downside, which we seemingly have been anticipating for some time now. And as we can see, Polygon is currently bouncing around this 140 to 141 level here, which does seem to be a previous swing low in these kinds of areas here. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of previous structure in this sort of area. As we said in our last video, obviously, we do think Polygon is a very, very strong project, but obviously in the short term, very difficult to know what's going to happen. And obviously with Bitcoin leading the market down again, we did see Polygon break down below this very strong support that it has been building here. At 150, as you can see, this support was maintained for a long, long time here, apart from this huge fake out to the downside, which we did have a V-shaped recovery from. But as we can see, it does look as though Polygon has moved down and is currently retesting at these levels at around 140 here. We did say that 140 would most likely be a level of support, and also this 130 level, as we can see here, would probably be our next level of support. Really, all that we're waiting to see what Bitcoin does next. Obviously, it seems as though it may be double bottoming at around 32k, and if that was the case, hopefully we could see a very nice little relief rally for it and potentially a reversal off of the bottom. Now we've fully doubled bottomed and retested in those kinds of areas, but obviously if Bitcoin continues to slide further down, then it's unlikely that Polygon is going to maintain its current price, and it will most likely be coming down to the next area of support, which will probably be this 130 level. And also there seems to be a swing high, quite a strong swing high support here at around 120 as well. Obviously we've been debating whether or not Bitcoin will go down, and if it does continue to lose value and drop, then we could be looking at Polygon slipping down to around $1 or so before a bounce, if things continue to capitulate and have like a parabolic move to the downside. So currently everything is largely dependent on Bitcoin. Obviously in the long term we are very bullish on Polygon. We do think this is going to be worth $10 plus by the end of the bull run. We don't think the bull run is over yet. Obviously a lot of people are calling for the bull run to be finished now that we've had this huge drop in the market, but it does look as though we were more massively overextended, with a huge amount of inexperienced retail buyers coming in and then panic selling as soon as they saw one thing going wrong. So it does look as though there's just been a huge collection of FUD combined with a lot of retail panic selling that led the price of Bitcoin down, which obviously led to pretty much all cryptos getting hit as well. But in comparison to most things, Polygon is doing extremely well. If we take a look at this, it's currently down around 50% from its all-time high, so it's doing better than pretty much every single other crypto that we've looked at, if we're being honest, in terms of still holding its value and recovering very nicely. It does look as though we've broken this blue macro trend line officially here, so we probably would be looking at something a bit different now, maybe something like this potentially, as a potential new trend line that we could adhere to. So potentially what could happen is Polygon could, if the market does continue to dip, we could see a dip for Polygon down to this 130 level, or maybe even this 120 level. And then obviously if we continue to dip, we would be looking at potentially this $1 level as very, very strong support, and obviously looking to hold this trend line to continue upside in the future. But as we can see, Polygon, the volume is very low right now as well, so not a lot of stuff happening really. We've obviously flipped bearish on our EMAs here, as we can see, so we're currently in a downtrend. But it does look as though we're getting a decent bounce here at this 140 level, so it'll be interesting to see what Polygon does next. As we said, we're very bullish on Polygon in the long term. We do think a short-term price prediction, very difficult to know obviously, but if Bitcoin continues to go down, we would be expecting Polygon to come down and retest these at least this 120 area here at around this level. retest this, and then if we continue to slide, then this $1 level, in our opinion, will be quite fair game, but we do think this will be very, very strong support. As you can see, this, when we did come down below $1 here, we had this huge rally to the upside, so we're optimistic that Polygon will hold quite well because it's been performing very well. Obviously, the demand for it's very high, and going into the summer with the smart contract wars that are about to happen, we do think things are looking very bullish for Polygon in the long term. But as we said, the short term, very difficult to know. But obviously, in the crypto market, people do tend to make the most money if they just buy and hold for the long term. So not financial advice, but this is something that we're always doing ourselves. We're basically just trying to accumulate coins that we think are going to do very well in the long term, and then we just hold through all the volatility. And obviously, this has paid dividends for pretty much every single crypto investor who's investing in quality projects like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Cardano, Polkadot, Chainlink, all of these projects are up massively in the past year. So even though we've had a big correction, we do think that the correction obviously won't last forever, and in the long term, these projects will continue to grow and flourish. So if you want to take the risk out of the equation for yourself, maybe just buy and hold quality projects for the long term. And don't look at the charts every day, because obviously you're probably going to drive yourself mad if you do that, especially currently with all the volatility. So our long-term price prediction for Polygon, we do easily think it's going to be over $10 by the end of the bull run. Once the bull run picks back up and gets back underway, which in our opinion will probably happen in the next few months. And then after that, we do think that Polygon could easily be over $10 considering what it's offering, especially going into the summer as well. As we said, with the complementary competition of all the smart contract launches, we do think Polygon's going to get a nice amount of publicity and probably get a decent pump to its price as well. So that's our update on Polygon today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.